Hi everyone, and welcome back to Thrifty Mama Scraps. Today I am drinking my coffee and it's a sunny day, so it's a nice day. We have the door open, and I wanted to come on here and just do a little chat and have my coffee and go over the new Felicity Jane kit that I just got in the mail. So I'm sorry I've been MIA for a while. I've been having some serious health problems. More serious than I've ever had in my entire life. And so it's been a pretty trying month. And I'll fill you in a little bit in another video. But for now, suffice to say that, yeah, it's been tough. So, but let's get going with this kit and I'll show you some things that's going on. So, you know, you have the ribbon and the really cute tissue paper. The first thing that we got this month was this gold puffy alphabet, which is really cute. It'll definitely come in handy. The gold is showing up more yellow on screen. It's not yellow at all. It's more of a true gold metallic color. Along with that, we got some black and white puffy stickers that are really cute. I kind of wish that they would do like an entire sheet of these really neat hearts. I really like those a lot, probably more so than any of the other stuff on here, but I will definitely use it all. Really cute. And you could probably color these in with like Copic or alcohol markers as well. So, or Sharpie markers work too. The next thing we got was this packet. It's like a craft envelope, the brand in it. And what is in here is like a bunch of chipboard flair. And they're all different. They have like different sayings on them, like fun right here, together. They're all black and white. Favorite photo. Lots of different stuff. Little symbols and so forth. So that's really kind of cool. Then we also got these page flags that are like made out of material, and then there's a eyelid in there, and those are really cute this month. This is the Brie collection, by the way, if I didn't say that before. This is a stamp set. It says worth it, brave, dream big, one step at a time, beautiful you, spread your wings, enough. And then there's some different big blotches that you can like decorate your own page if you want to make your own page, background page. So that's kind of neat. That'll be fun to play with. This theme has a lot of butterflies in it, and I'm thinking that, so it's kind of like a springy butterfly type set. These are a bunch of die-cut butterflies that also came in this kit. There's 26 pieces. There's large butterflies. There's tiny butterflies, and some are like stitched together as an overlay. You get another puffy letter set. This is in black. So it's always fun when you get more than one alphabet and number set. There's numbers on here as well as letters. The next thing, I'm going to try to open this one-handed, is the die cuts, which is probably one of my favorite things of the whole kit. So, all of them didn't come out. Come on. Come out of here. Okay, so there's a heart, like that puffy heart that I like so much. That's black and white. Of course, a lot of florals. Florals are really in right now. Here is Brie. She's the girl that this kit was created for. There's another floral. A lot of these speech bubbles, which I like, or just the labels I like, because then they're very versatile. And then there's a palm garden, or palm garland is what I'm trying to say. Beautiful day. And these are always really thick and nice quality too. Pretty. A tag that's just a grid. A larger palm garland. A flower. A plant. A label. Happy triangle type thing. Floral bouquet, another speech bubble, another tag, a remember label. This says, without change there would be no butterflies. I like that. A tag, some black and white hearts, some more labels, a bow, a triangle, another flower, a heart, another heart, another banner thing, and a heart banner, and my story. So you get a lot of stuff in the die cut pack. And then if I can order, or if I can open this. Now, Felicity Jane is moving. I got that update email. So I'm not going to be billed for next month or the following month, and then in August. I think they're moving from Utah to Arizona. But the first kit, I think, is going to be the August kit. And I'm excited to see what they come up with, because I think it's going to be something new and exciting. So here is just the card from Gina. It says spread your wings and fly, which I always use in like my Project Life type albums. When, where, who, what. Hexagon pattern, file folders, hearts, a gingham, here and now, a polka dot. This says little details. Grab onto it. Let's see, come on. Here's one with like, this looks like washi tape. Then there's a diagonal frame and some rainbow stripes, and then a flower with polka dot. Okay, and then last but not least, if I can pull this out, so dumping everything all over the table. Here are the papers for this month. Sabri Collection, Floral and Swiss Dot. Here's the floral, and the Swiss Dot is on the back. So, and then there's a hexagon like border strip. This one is called Square Dot and Stitch. This is a square dot on like a mint background, and this is the stitch, which is like just like a cross stitch. This one's called Stripes and Bows. This is the stripes, and this is the bows, which are really cute. And then that's the branding strip, is pink heart, or hearts on pink. This one is called Swatches and Spots. So this is the swatches of a bunch of different papers, which I really like this. This is probably my favorite this month. And this is the spots, and they're just kind of random spots. And then that's the branding strip, which is the diagonal stripe. And then this one is called Gradient Grid and Stripes. So this would be the gradient grid, and the gradient must mean because it's kind of an ombre effect of like going into a darker cut from lighter to darker. And then this is a stripe, black and white, and then a gingham branding strip. This one's called Hearts and Frames, and this is the hearts, and this is the frames. These are kind of fun to cut apart. I like it when we get frames like that. And then these are the cardstock papers. There's like a gold color and a melon or salmon color type. And then this is like a teal, and then a darker teal. So, and that's it. That is the break collection for Felicity Jane. So I'm really glad that I finally had a chance to get on here. I've had a lot of testing done for my health issue. The issue is with my heart, and my family has a history of congenital heart defects. So it hasn't been the best news, but now we know what the root cause was. So hopefully I can go forward and get back to healthy me again. So I need to take more care of myself, and it's hard when you're a mom and you have kids and you're taking care of a family and all that stuff. So I hope to be on here again soon with a layout share or something like that. I've been doing a little sorting through my office because my office is a real mess, and right now it just feels like a dumping ground. And so the other day I was outside, it was really sunny, and I was sorting through some stuff out on the patio table, which is my favorite place to scrapbook. I love scrapbooking outside when it's nice and warm and not a windy. You don't want a windy day because all your stuff will blow away, but it has been nice. And so so I hope to have some videos up, you know, where I'm scrapbooking outside, and that's just my favorite thing to do. So I will I think I'll call this a video, and I'll end it here. And I thank you all for watching, and I hope you'll be back to join me in my next video. Thank you. Bye.